Heads up, Power BI users. Drillthrough via Excel's Show Details feature in Analyze in Excel now supports Direct Lake and DirectQuery semantic models. Here's what's new. What's new? Power BI now enables Drillthrough for Direct Lake and DirectQuery models, allowing you to double-click a pivot table cell and view the underlying detail rows, even when connected live. No need to switch to import mode for deeper analysis in Excel. How it works. Connect to your semantic model as usual using Analyze in Excel. Make sure you're using explicit measures or fields that support detail rows. Then double-click a leaf-level pivot table cell to explore the data. Performance considerations. Drillthrough performance depends on the source system and query complexity, especially for direct query models connected to external data sources. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.